Today, I'm going to be helping you to learn how to play the piano at the same time that you sing. So the first time that I tried to sing while I was playing the piano, I was completely blindsided by how difficult it was. It looks easy, but it's actually a skill that requires some development. So here are some tips to help you be a pro at playing and singing at the same time. Let it be, let it be. Number one, know your song. So this is the most important part. You should know how to sing your song perfectly. You should know how to play your song perfectly before you try to put it together. So a really good test for this to see if you know your song is to see if you can sing the whole song without any accompaniment, and then do the same thing with the piano. Can you play the entire song without having to really think about where your hands are being placed? You should be able to do both of these skills really easily independently of each other. When I find myself in times of trouble. Number two, stick with very simple accompaniment. So when you go to sing and play for the first time, you don't want to be playing really fancy fills and crazy rhythms. Do very simple basic chords. Don't get crazy. So for a song like Let It Be, if I'm just starting, I would try something like this. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. There's no rhythm, nothing wild's happening on the keys, I'm just getting my toes wet. So once you've figured out how to play it with a really simple chord structure, you can begin to slowly add more fancy elements to your song. Number three, try singing your song without words. So what can often happen when we're singing words is we've got lots more to think about. If you can reduce the amount of tasks that your brain has to manage, it'll become easier. So create muscle memory on this skill by just humming along. Trust me, this really does help. Watch this. It can be a great way to warm up your voice and to help you get into the flow of the song. Okay, number four, practice having conversations while you're playing the piano. This sounds like a crazy one, but if you can carry on a conversation while you're playing, you can definitely sing while you're playing. So I might give myself the chord progression and then just speak. How was your day? What's new? What's your favorite color? Whatever, just practice speaking while you're playing. Let it be, let it be, let it be. And finally, you can create a track for yourself. So what I mean by this is play just the left hand of your song, record it. Then you can listen back to your recording and play along with the right hand accompaniment and singing along with that. And then maybe you could record another track and you could record just the right hand and then you play the left hand and sing along with that. This prevents you from having to have both hands going at the same time and your vocals. So this is a really good way to get used to singing and playing as well. All right, so there you have it. There are some tips and tricks to help you begin to sing and play at the same time. Please remember that this is a skill that takes time. It's very much like riding a bike. It's extremely complicated at the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes like second nature and you won't have to think about it anymore. I hope these helped and we will see you next time. Trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary